What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We are on part 3 of the headliner video, and in my opinion that is too many. Headliners are a pain in the butt. So far I've had a hard time filming everything that's been going on. So as I get into the actual headliner part, I'm realizing that it's going to be too hard to film and do it and still make it come out looking good. I don't know how all these other people are doing it that way. I guess they got like a secret camera guy somewhere, but I don't have that. So in the interest of time for you and for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, and you can watch me do it in super fast motion. I may jump in here and there with a little quick tip, but I'm just gonna try and get this stupid headliner in. I'm tired of looking at the box and I really just want it done. There's a million videos on how to do it. I only really found one on how to do it to a Ragtop, and that was Chris Vallone, classicvwdebugs.com. He did a really good, but it's like, man, it's like an 8-part series or a 9-part series on the headliner. It's like every single little piece. It's very detailed, super good. A lot of great information in there. So if you want to learn how to do it, maybe check his video out. If you just want to see somebody fumble through it on a humid Texas day, stick around, because that's what you're going to get today. I got all my pieces laid out in the sun trying to get soft, and we got the foam in last night. That would have been last week for you. So here we go. Gonna get started. Wish me luck. there it is. One poorly installed, wrinkly, almost the right color headliner. It's the first one I've ever done in anything that was actually headliner material, and I think I did a job. It's not great, but it's good enough for this car, which is not getting painted or getting anything fancy on the inside. You know, it kind of adds to the charm of like a patina, but not shredded, missing pieces. I still have a few places I need to tuck. I got the back quarter windows that I got to sort out. This driver's side one, I got to put this seal on it so I can, you know, mount it. We have all the windows to put in. I think that'll help. We can kind of pull it a little tighter when we put the seal in. I can unstick it, you know, from the frames, or the, what do you call that? I don't know, the body where the window seal goes, that little lip. I can unstick them and kind of pull it tight, and then maybe clamp it again, and hopefully the glue will hold long enough to put a seal in there. Maybe I can get rid of some of these wrinkles. I can, you know, our pal Bruce has told me to use a steamer or a heat gun. I used the heat gun a little bit. It didn't really do much, but you know, we'll keep trying. But really just kind of wanted to have something there instead of nothing. I also have, I think next week for you guys, we're going to do the Ragtop. Finally came in, so I have the headliner pieces for that. We're going to rebuild the mechanism, or clean it up, not necessarily rebuild it, but clean it up. And I have new black vinyl to put on the outside. So with that and the seals and the windows, then it's just the doors and we're done. You know, the body is complete, sealed up and waterproof. We can move on to mechanical stuff. I've got a few things ordered for the mechanical side of it. I've got some brakes coming. We got a beam, rebuilt beam for it to put in there, so the front end we know will be tight. You know, Mitchie did that for us. It came out super duper nice. Tires, you know, there's a long way to go, but you know, we'll just keep plugging along and doing little things here and there, and you guys can come along and watch and maybe go try it on yours. I know I went fast on this one, so check out Chris Vallone's classicvwbug.com. You can find him on YouTube. He did a 9-part series on a Ragtop headliner, and that was my main resource for doing this. I did the things that he did, but I didn't do them as good because he's been doing it forever. That guy makes it look so easy. But check his out. Check out our friends. VolksAmerica.com, VolksMania.com, VWradio.com, TheVWNetwork.com. Check us out everywhere. Get a Teespring, get a shirt, and thanks for watching.